Hello viewers, welcome to our tutorial on QGIS. Today we're tutorial on how to remove your dark background on your QGIS. So yeah, get that started. You can see the interface now, very dark. Even when you add your data, you can't see it because it's very dark. So now I'm going to take you step by step on how to remove this background and change it to a whiter background, and then also on how to bring out your atlas map and then name instead your naming. So let's go. So I'm still searching for where view layers, no options. So please subscribe, like and share. Let's go on setting, go to option, then option, from another option let's check on canvas and legend. Click on canvas and legend. You can see default map appearance overridden by project properties. You can see the background color. So at this point I'm going to change the dark background to red background. So I'll click on OK. So after this now I need to close the entire QGIS and then relaunch it again. Please subscribe, like and share. I like to close the entire QGIS and then relaunch it. So you can see now the interface have changed completely to white. And then we are also doing our atlas map. Then change the color to grayscale. Then you can also name your atlas. Let's unname. Please do subscribe, like and stay tuned to other videos. Right click on your map, world map layer, like click it and then go to label. Please subscribe, like and share. Choose your single level. So under values, select the area of interest, like my own is name. At this juncture, I will leave everything at default and then apply. Then OK. You can see. So that's why you can see that I have successfully learned my atlas map. So under value, select the area of interest, like my own is name. At this juncture, I will leave everything at default and then apply. Then OK. You can see. So that's why you can see that I have successfully learned my atlas map. Please do subscribe.